is William
Hey
having...
guys, down below 01 here, and right now I am in the eye of the tropical storm. If you know what that means, you know, if you watch the news, but you don't. So I'm in a raincoat, as you can tell. It's not really a raincoat, but I don't know. And I'm gonna lay in that, and I'm gonna be completely dry.
He is absolutely, completely dry. Absolutely, completely dry. In the eye of a tropical storm. William, we better go back in. It's about starting to rain.
It's fun. This is how you can have fun in a tropical storm. On. Ah!
It's William Lambert, and we're in the eye of a tropical storm, and he's going to demonstrate for us how to really have fun in a tropical storm. Now go, Will.
Down in the boat 01.
Oh yeah. And he's not even wet, dudes. Let's take a closer look at this idiot. He's falling in a ditch! Oh no!
I'm like an alien.
Yeah, seriously.
Meow!
Oh God, William, you're getting the camera all wet. Are you done yet?
Bye guys, stay. Get ready for my next video. Bye.
Get ready for his next video. See ya!
Bye bye!